Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2013 Toyota HiLux SR5 dual cab ute, stock reference number 5372. This shape runs from the 8th month 2011 through to the 8th month 2015. It has a 1KD, 3 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual 4-wheel drive transmission. 1KD, 3 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine with the right hand headlight, a worn winch with all bolts and brackets, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, chrome indicator sight, left front door has 2 small dents, left rear door has 4 small dents, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, colour coded canopy with all bolts and brackets. Tailgate has 3 small dents, aftermarket Hayman Reese towbar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door has 2 small dents, right front door has 4 small dents, right guard has 1 large dent, factory fitted snorkel, right hand power door mirror, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior, manual type centre console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, transfer shifter, climate control, heater controls, sat nav head unit, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster.